Hi everyone, welcome to today's unboxing video. Today we're opening up the rest of the June boxes I have. So I have 3 here today. We're going to be opening up Vellabox. Super excited for this month. I already know what it is. It's so good. Then we have Splendies, Panty subscription, and Annie's Kit Club. So yeah, everything we're opening today will be linked down below. All of these were sent to me free in PR, but all of them are non-sponsored. I do have affiliate links for 2 of them. So that's just, if you use my links, I get a little extra kickback, so no extra cost to you. So thank you in advance for using any of my links. Yeah, that's it. I think let's get started. I know, like, I'm a shiny girl today. I even just tried to put a little powder on, but that glow just won't go away. You know what? I'm not mad at it. I like the dewy look. So anyways, let's start with Vellabox because this is the one I'm the most excited about. Well, I'm also excited about Splendies. I'm excited about all of them. Let's get real. But Vellabox, I saw a sneak peek because I get this both in PR and a purchased one. So I wanted to see if they were the same because when they're different, I'll show you both. But they were the same this month, so I saw what it is, and I am pumped. Vellabox, monthly candle subscription. So there are 3 different subscription tiers. Emmy's rubbing on the tripod. Starting at $10. We're opening up the top tier, the Vellabox, which is $30. I do have a code with Vellabox and a link I'll leave down below to save $5 off any of your subscriptions. I think this is great. You can also use that code to get a gift subscription, so you can gift someone like 3 or 6 or 12 months. I think Vellabox candles in general are a great gift, so I highly recommend that, especially if you're looking for a last minute gift. You can purchase this and print something out about it. It's wonderful. Ethically sourced. They get local artisans throughout the United States to make their candles each month. So they feature a new small business each month. So they're small business supporters as well. They're sustainable, eco-friendly. The candles are amazing. Most importantly, the burn time's amazing. I have them all over my house. I just finished the one from last month, like literally today. Mulholland Drive. It's so good. So I just finished that today and I'm ready to light this one up. Let's see what we have. There's also a bonus goodie that comes each month, and they make a playlist for each month that's created to go with the candles. This is such a sneak peek of what this is all about. Oh, it brings me back. It says happy in a million little ways. So yeah, you get this little art print, and the candles come in this canvas bag you can repurpose. They're really high quality, and they look different every month. This is what it looks like this month. I love it. So the difference with each subscription plan is the size of the candle. And there is a scent profile, so when you subscribe, you can let them know what scents you like or don't like. So let's see where our candles come from today, you guys. I'm so excited about this one. It really brings me back. So this is from Fjord. I think that's how you say it. It's F-J-O-R-D. Fjord and Fable Home Fragrances, and they are based out of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. So their website is fjordandfable.com, and there's a code Vellabox 30 to save 30% on their website. I'm not going to read all their description today, but they do let you know a little bit about the company, the founders, what they're all about, which is awesome. But let's get to the candle, you guys. So all of the candles this month, I believe, were featured like destinations. So there are different places you could visit, which is great because summertime, a lot of people travel. And around this time last year, a little bit earlier in the month last year, I was at the place I chose. The candle I received was Amalfi Coast. Oh, there's my little baby. So I went to Amalfi Coast in Italy. I also went to Barcelona that trip in Florence, but Amalfi Coast was like my favorite. I just love it. Oh my God, it was beautiful. Everything you thought it would be. I stayed in Positano, a beautiful hotel. I went with my parents. It was amazing. So, and I was looking at the fragrance notes of this, and it really fits. So the fragrance notes of this are sweet lemon, jasmine, and sea salt. So the Amalfi Coast, there's lemons everywhere. So that is perfect. And also it's on the sea, it's on the water. So I'm like, this is perfect. And there's flowering trees everywhere. I just think they did a great job in actually being there. Oh my God, it's so good. I totally took a sniff when I opened up the other box. So I knew it was already a good match with the scent fragrance notes too. Oh my God. It's so good. I can't wait to light this up, look at pictures and memories, and just, it's such a good, amazing summer scent. Well, scent all year round. And this is in their citrus like family. Like, so there's 4 different scent groups you can get each month. So there's a variation again based on your profile. So this is in the citrus one. So let's do the little with, have you guys take a breath in and I'll read the description to you so maybe you can get a sense of what it is like. So are you ready? Oh my God, I want more. Amalfi Coast promises not just a scent, but a moment of pure coastal bliss. Let the alluring sweetness of lemon, kissed by the Mediterranean sun, whisk you away to terraced cliffs overlooking sapphire waters. Blooms of jasmine and a touch of delicate romance, while sea salt cradles the essence of the endless horizon. I'm in love. Oh my God, I want to go back. Seriously amazing. Really uplifts my mood. Citrus does that in general, but also just the whole idea of this candle and the memories. So good. I could just sit here and smell this all day long. You know I'm lighting this up right after this video. But let's move on, or else I'll just talk about that forever. We have a little extra here, which I'm also stoked about. This is a little brass bookmark clip. I am always, like, I have a bunch of bookmarks, but to be honest, I am one of those people that I will have a million books going at once. Maybe it's Gemini, or Mercury Gemini I have in my chart. But here we go. And look at, there's like a little, a book plus a candle equals smiley face. I love that. This is by Vellabox, $10 value. I love that. Oh, I love what the little description says too, so we're actually going to read it. It says, this clip not only secures your place within the pages, but also serves as a beautiful reminder of the joy found in the simple pleasures of reading by candlelight. I love that. The simple pleasures in life really are what matter. I'm really discovering that lately. And then the playlist is Paradise Found, your ultimate escape to musical oasis featuring serene melodies and uplifting beats that transport you to a tranquil state of mind. Let this playlist be your guide to discovering moments of serenity and bliss. So you just scan this here and you go to the Spotify playlist. Isn't that so cool? I love Vellabox. I've been getting it for years. My mom gets it too. She sent me a picture of, she opened hers before I did, and I was like, Amalfi Coast! Yay! Because she got the same one. I'm like, perfect, I'm so happy. I have a painting right across here where I can see the coast and I can see the hotel we stayed at right on the water. You guys might have seen stories on my Instagram or posts on my Instagram if you follow me there. If not, you should, even though I'm not the best poster. Sometimes I post. But that was so good. One of my favorite months. I like every month, but this just has a special place in my heart this month, you guys. And I also did get an email about what the scents look like for next month, and it's going to be good. So I highly recommend. Check Vellabox out if you haven't already. And again, use my link if you want, or any link code to save $5 off your first month. So let's move on to Splendies, the monthly panty subscription. So been getting Splendies again I've been getting all of these for years. So Splendies monthly panty subscription, it's $16.99 a month. You get 3 pairs of panties, but the first month you automatically get a discount. It's around $5, like $5 or $5 and something cents. I'll leave that link down below. I don't have an affiliate code with Splendies. Again, they automatically have a code for everyone, or automatic discounts. But you do get a little bit of a profile with this one. You let them know, of course, your size, and you always look at their sizing chart. A lot of people like to size up, but look, again, at the chart and see what's best for you. They have a wide size range. I think it's extra small to 4X. You get to choose if you want all thongs, all like brief or regular underwear, or if you want a surprise variety. I get a surprise variety, which typically is like 2 full back panties and 1 thong. But let's see what we have. And a lot of times they go with like themes, and like, that'll be like a summer type theme. I don't know. That'd be cool if it was like, but I don't know if is it only American? I was gonna say, what's the next holiday? It's like 4th of July. But sometimes we get like St. Patrick's Day theme, like it's just Halloween theme. I just love it. It excites me. So you have it wrapped up in this tissue paper. Oh my gosh, one is so me. I'm so excited. Okay, here's just a little quick look. Oh my gosh. We're gonna start with the one that's so me. There's constellations on it. If you guys don't know, I'm tarot reader, astrologer. I love astrology. I love, oh my god, this is, and it's so soft. Look at this. It's like super stretchy, like a no-show type cut. Laser cut, do they call this? I don't know, but nylon, stretchy, so smooth. Oh my god, but the best part is the constellations. Wait, can I remember what one's Taurus? Oh, this look. I used to have a necklace Was it from a subscription box? Everything I have is from a subscription box. It was Taurus on it. I think maybe it was from like Rocksbox, which by the way, I'm like dug out like my old jewelry. This is from Rocksbox. Remember that? This is an old Stitch Fix. I still get Stitch Fix, but I haven't been posting that because it's like, I think one time someone was like mean to me about my body when I was trying on clothes. I know it's stupid, but if you guys want to see Stitch Fix, I have one that just shipped today, so let me know. I don't have as much insecurity as I did back in the day. Still a sensitive girl, but I love these so much. Oh my gosh. I like want to put them on though. And by the way, like one of their pairs of panties cost $14, so you get a great deal when you subscribe. And the next one is the thong, and this is so cute. Oh my gosh. Look at this, the colors of this and the floral prints. Oh, so again, we have that like nylon, laser cut, like no show. All of them do have cotton gussets, like for the inside. Just FYI. This is beautiful. I love this pair too. This is a pair I could see myself wearing often. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. And then the last pair, it looks like we have a cotton fullback. And this has like a cute pattern on it. It's kind of like maroon. It kind of is like more like fallish colors to me, but I don't mind. I'm wearing like a orange. Burnt orange is a fall color. I was thinking that today. I'm like, you know what? I don't care. Like, since when am I a rule follower anyways? But look at the floral, like, fun print on it. It's kind of a cheeky pair. In the back, you can see that. But yeah, this is definitely cotton, right? Yes. This is cute. Yeah, definitely cheeky. So those are the three pairs. Okay, I definitely got most excited about the constellations. It's just like so unique and I don't know, it's just cute. I like all of them though, but I think I really like the thong. Honestly, like this is a print I would choose over this like aesthetic way, but just the fact that it's constellations, I love this so much. So those are our Splendies. Let me know, are we panty twins this month? Because sometimes we do get the same, but there is a variation. So let me know. And again, I'll link Splendies down below. I think it's super fun, especially like if you haven't refreshed your underwear in a long time, you know, it's nice to get some new ones because time flies by and you're like, wait, it's been like years. Maybe I should spruce it up a bit. And these are like everyday type wear, you know, a little bit sexy in a way, like the lace, but like, you know, things you can definitely wear all the time. Because I used to get Heaven Panty, but that shut down. Those are like kind of more like sexy style that you don't always want to wear with everything, you know? Or you do, but I feel like this, you'll get use out of all of the pairs you get from Splendies. But let's move on to the last one, which is Annie's Kit Club. So Annie's Kit Club has a bunch of different craft subscriptions, and the one we're opening today is the Creative Woman of the Month Club. So every month you get a different craft. It's totally different each month, and it's usually seasonal, and it's super fun. You pretty much get everything you need in step-by-step visual instructions, like written and pictures. You'll need some things from home, but they're like things you have like paper towels and scissors, you know, stuff like that. So yeah, it's super fun. It's $19.99 a month. I do have a code with them. I think it's KB50. I'll leave, of course, the link in the code down below to save 50% off your first month, and it works on all of their craft subscriptions. So check out their page. They seriously have like 15 to 20, or I don't know, a lot. I would say around 15 different craft subscriptions, like card making. They have jewelry making, like quilting, stuff for kids, so much stuff. So check it out if you're into crafting. It's really fun because you can do this. Like, it's not only like you're getting a thing, you're getting an experience as well. So you can spend time with yourself doing it, with your friends, with your kids, partner, whatever. So it's, you know, more than just an item. And you get something you made. It's cool. I'm excited to see what this month is. All right, my nose started running. I like have allergies lately. I think it's because it's been raining here. What do we have? Is this jewelry making? Ooh, it is. And I've been getting more into jewelry. This looks really cute too. It's called Natalie Grace. Look at how pretty that jewelry is. I'm guessing we're making the earrings, bracelet, and the necklace. Can you see that okay? Oh my god, that looks so pretty. It looks like Amazonite. And then we have the whole tray here with all of the items. You'll probably not need much from home this time, but it's all in this organized tray. That's amazing. That makes it really easy to use. So in here, you open it up, it like folds out, and you get all the instructions. So you get bead keys, so you got a paper clip chain for the necklace. That's stylish. That's like in style, isn't it? Eye pins, lobster claw clasp, leatherback earrings, ball-tipped head pins, jump rings. Amazonite. Oh my god, I called it. The stone is Amazonite. Amazonite teardrop, and you also get the Amazonite little rolettes, they call it. You get also, I have this crystal. It's always hard for me to pronounce. Dumortierite, faceted teardrop. We have some chiroprase. Oh my gosh, we have like legit crystals with this. You guys, if you don't, I love this stuff. I actually didn't put on my bracelets today. I love crystals. This is so exciting to me. Oh, so from home, all you need is a towel, a 4-in-1 tool. Is that like to press the like clasp together, and a ruler. And then it has general techniques here, and then it'll tell you how to do everything, and it shows you. And then, oh my god, I love that this is Amazonite. It's so cute. So that's a necklace. Here's the bracelet, and the earrings are super cute too. Wow, this might be my favorite, especially definitely my favorite jewelry we've gotten from them. Maybe like once a year, twice a year we get a jewelry, maybe once a year. I really like this. Those earrings are so cute. I'm totally gonna do this. I don't know what I'm doing this weekend, but I might have plans, but maybe on Sunday night or something. With a glass of wine and a good show. Make some jewelry. I love this. Wow, this is such a good unboxing day. Oh my gosh. I love this whole look. And it's not like too matchy-matchy, you know? It like goes well together, but it's not like gaudy or anything. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love everything. What do you think? And I wonder, is this the... Yeah, so this is the June one. These are all June boxes. Sometimes I get the Andy's Kit Club early, so I'll probably get the August one so soon. Oh no, the July one super soon. But usually I save it to do like multiple months. But you guys, it is so good. I'll link everything down below along with any promo codes. Let me know your thoughts down below. Let me know how you're doing. I hope you guys are all doing well. And just a little shameless plug, if you haven't already, check out my second channel, Kitty Rising. It's like at Kitty Rising Tarot here on YouTube. I just put out the July predictions, so if you're like new to tarot, maybe it'd be fun to check out the predictions for the month, dip your toes in it, see if you like the pick of cards, and if not, that's totally fine, but I'll link that down below if you want to check it out. I truly appreciate it. I truly appreciate each and every one of you guys for being here. Thank you so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already, like this video, leave a comment, and do something special for yourself today. You deserve it. I love you. Bye.